In this video, I'm going to show you how to face retouch on Canva. So the first step will be to highlight the image, go to the top of your editing page where you have all these icons here and select edit image. When you click on edit image, you scroll down all the way to where you have FX effects. Then you click this arrow to show more, and there you have it. You click on face retouch. Once you click on face retouch, it's going to take some time because it shows you detecting face. So the AI tool is actually trying to detect the face. And when it's done detecting, you can see this arrow or this slider here that you can move back or more. And the more you move it, you see that there's an effect on the image or the photo that you've highlighted to retouch. And that's about it. That's how to face retouch on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.